Need to access an old Tax 2010 file from your 2010 tax return? This file contains your complete tax data from that year filed using TurboTax. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and view these legacy TurboTax tax return files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated Tax 2010 file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. A Tax 2010 file is a data file generated by the 2010 version of Intuit's TurboTax software. It securely stores all the information related to a user's tax return for the 2010 tax year. To access or modify the data, the user must use the TurboTax 2010 application, as newer versions may only import the data. The file is a proprietary, encrypted binary format. Intuit uses this design to protect highly sensitive personal and financial data. The year-specific extension, Tax 2010, is a crucial design choice to enforce version compatibility, ensuring that the correct tax laws and forms from that year are applied. TurboTax 2010, developed by Intuit Inc., is often used as the source validator for Tax 2010. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows only supplies high-level attributes, so full access requires dedicated data processing software. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your Tax 2010 file and select Open With. If TurboTax 2010 is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If your Tax 2010 file still refuses to open, stay calm. Errors with the Tax 2010 format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, installing TurboTax 2000. Install TurboTax 2010 from original installation media or download from Intuit's archive of prior year products. The 2010 version is required to open Tax 2010 files since each TurboTax release uses year-specific encryption. Sign in with your original Intuit account credentials if prompted. Next, converting to PDF. If installing legacy TurboTax is impractical, contact Intuit customer support to request a PDF copy of your 2010 return. They can often retrieve archived returns and provide PDF documentation. The PDF preserves all return data for IRS audits or financial record purposes without requiring software. Finally, accessing through Intuit account. Log into your Intuit TurboTax account online and check the prior year section for archived returns. Intuit retains many older tax returns in customer accounts, allowing direct PDF download of Tax 2010 returns without needing the original software installation on your computer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.